Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today guys, I'll be showing you on how to make a fashionable pom-pom rings made of yarn. This yarn, I have three colors of the yarn here. And for my materials, I'll be using also this one for my ring hoops, like this. Okay, so guys, come and join me and let's begin. And I'll be also using a scissor and glue gun with a glue stick here. So for the hoops, I will be making it like this one and measure for my fingers first, like this. Not too tight and not too loose, like this, just enough for my fingers. So I'll be cutting it here. So I will be joining this both ends of the ring hoops for my ring. And this is, when you make this one guys, be careful because it is very hot, and it will burn your skin. It's very hot. Just wait a while to make it cool. Just leave it for a while, and let's proceed to the other one. Let's proceed to make the pom-poms like this one. I'll be showing you on how to make it without any what do you call, without the cardboard to use just the fingers, like this one. 2 fingers will do for the smaller ring. It's up to you guys how many rolls of the yarn you want to. The more the better. I think this one is enough now. I didn't count it, but I just estimated the bulk of the, so it's like this. And now I'm going to tie it. So put this, insert my hand and tie it firmly like this one. So now I can release my fingers to tie it like this one. Tie it very firmly like this, and okay, so it looks like this, but it doesn't finish good. So I'll be cutting it, and I will show you how to cut this one. So I'll be cutting it from this, here, like this one. And so guys, it looks like this, and I'm going to trim it like circular to become round shape, like this. So this already done trimming. Already trimmed it like a small ball. Okay, so this is my hoops also. So I'll be using this glue gun here. And stick it like this. It's hot, so hot. I'll be pressing it with this scissor. So wait a while to make it, to cool it down. So like this, guys. Okay. It's still hot. Wait a while. So tie it at the center like this one, and again firmly tie a knot at the center. So release the fingers. So if you do have the cardboard, the one that I shown you one of my video, you can also make it like that, but this one is just for the made from two fingers, rolling it there. So now it's already you can make so many things regarding with this yarn, right? If you are this. So you have to cut the end of the yarn like this one, and now it looks like this, right? Like it's still ugly, and you have to trim it, circular trim it, just like you're trimming a hair until it becomes circular in shape. Okay. So it's already even, see? And now I'm going to make it also like this one. So I have already 3 pom-pom rings right now. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it and have an idea to all the girls out there to, if you want to make this one for your fashionable rings that is very affordable and no need to buy a lot of materials, only the yarn, and this one you can provide at your home, like you have something in your house, like what is this one, like this is I took this one from my clothes, from the arms of my clothes, so I didn't buy any, only this yarn. I bought this yarn, only this yarn, and this one I provided it from my clothes. So that's it guys. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Please do give my video a like, subscribe my YouTube channel, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified for my next upload. Thank you guys so much, and God bless to all of you. Bye for now. Thank you. So this is how I wear it. So like this, right? And I already have a fashionable ring of my own. See? But when you wear a fashionable ring, you should just wear one for your fingers. This one is so tight. Just one is enough, and no need to wear two of them. Just one from your hand, and no need to wear all of them. Thank you guys so much. God bless.